What is up, guys? So I've seen like a lot, and I mean a lot of like relationship statuses, tweeting about relationships and all that, and like I'm just sitting here like I got a bay and my spoon, and I am just like perfectly fine. There's been so much talk about relationships nowadays, it's got way out of hand. I saw my friend's little sister talking about a guy she dated, and she's in elementary school. You know who was my bae in elementary school?
We learned that before you fight a giant robot army, always remember to look in Mr. Krabs' pocket.
Words to live by.
That's right. But I don't know, I just think this shit has gotten way out of hand, and I just want to talk about it in the video today. First of all, I just want to say something that's perfectly clear. You do not need a relationship, okay? Like I said, if you got my ice cream and a spoon, you're fine. The only time you should be worrying about relationships is near the end of high school, junior, senior year, and that's only if you like insanely one-on-one. Don't get me wrong, if you find the right guy in like 7th, 8th grade, some maybe 6th, get together, that's fine, but make sure it's legitimate. You're not just dating it for the thrill and fabulousness of dating. Honestly, I think this whole dating thing has kind of like been overplayed. When I was LGBT community, that's all the same rules apply, by the way. When I was in elementary school, I didn't like girls or guys. I didn't like anybody in that way. Like, I like people for being people. And I like girls for being people, and I like boys for being people. Nowadays, it's sort of gotten like, oh, look at somebody and say, oh, that's attractive. Like, damn, babe. But like, other times we'll be like, oh, no.
Words to live by.
I don't know. I think this shit has gotten way out of hand. So much that they have like eHarmony and other companies being in a relationship with other different companies. And using the term relationship, I think is kind of stupid. A relationship is when you have an emotional connection with anybody. I have a relationship with my dog. I have a relationship with my cat, fish, whatever. I don't care. I don't judge. Another term of a relationship to me, when you've been together a long enough time where you could get to know each other and everything like that. Two best friends have been dating for past actually 2 years now. That's an amazing thing for a high school relationship. They just hit 2 years not too long ago, and they've gotten to the point where they can blatantly, openly talk about their relationship with other people and it won't be awkward. When they first started dating and people made jokes about them marrying, which happens in every relationship, words and stuff, you know, that just kills the moment. Happens in every relationship. When you get to the point where it's not awkward is when I think you have a relationship. I'm one of those people who, before I start calling it a relationship, I don't just want to like ask someone out and say like, oh, that's the day we started dating, and like the day we say we broke up is the day we broke up. No. I want to have it where I'll ask you out, we go on a couple dates, maybe 1 or 2 is a couple, okay? Words. Shit. I really can't think of what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, and then have a couple different dates and everything like that, and see where it goes. If it goes good, then we'll keep it going. If it doesn't, it goes like sort of like how you'll see it in TV shows and stuff. Like going on one date does not mean you're dating. Okay. That's all I have to say about this topic. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like. I am doing this of my own free will. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos, my music, and just our whole channel. It is great. Subscribe.